location and his work location and his experience. So, and we have shown in the textual way, so in the visualization way with characters and the objects. So this is the thing which we have a sketch of the project whenever we have proposal, and this is the thing which we achieved by designing the what we have done in a project. And this is the our project which we have done. The small circles represent the how many years that the we have studied, like what is the span of the span. It's a 1 year span, and if you increment depending upon the years, that be larger than this one. The comparison is 1 year span, it's a 2 year span, it's a 3 years, and it's 4 years, and it's a 5 year span. And we'll also, when hover on the circle, it will be highlighted. It will be highlighted, and if you hover on this circle, the color will be changed. It will be done into the highlighted here to get visualization of the work location or the college that we study.
Okay. So here we have education graph normally. So as my partner said, like these circles represent like a university or a college or a school. Okay. So each circle has its own properties. Like this represents like first year, like he's studying from 2006 to 2007. Like if it is a 3-year range, then the circle is coming from 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3-year range. Okay. So we are having this hover effect. Like whenever we hover on these things, it will distinguish from these things like which university is selected from here. So just click on that. So if you click on this thing, so the details about the college will be getting populated over here. Like this is like the KJD College of Technology, and the percentage I have got in this college, and this is like India, and this is Hyderabad, the country, state, and city. And this is like from when to when I have studied over there. And this points out to college because college. Suppose if I take, you must have the. So this thing points to a university dynamically, and this thing slides from the according to my percentage level what I have got in the university. Can you click on work? So if it is a work graph, it totally changes from one graph to a different graph, and it shows like different college details. Suppose you can see these things change over here. So if I click on any of these things, so the percentage change to experience, and the 100 to 1 to 100, those things change from 1 to 10 years, like take the experience of those things. And this thing only we get only the work into the college, school, and university. So these things are totally dynamic, and just click once again to see the interactions over here. Like all these things have interactions. Click once again. So you can see all those things moving dynamically from one place to other. We achieved that with D3. And we just wanted to give a demo of it by actually. So this is like a tool. So if we can just populate a form wherein we can give you information, and this graph will dynamically generate your circles and your details and everything. So we just want to give a demo of it. Yeah, this. So I already commented on something for you. So I'm saying that the starting point is 2014 and the ending point is 2015 is like a data set, right? This thing. So the name of the class is CI602 and the country is USA. So I'm giving this over here, and I'm saving this. And when I'm reloading this page, you can see a circle over here. I gave from 2014 to 2015. So if I just hover on it, it's saying CI602 class. It's added dynamically from here, and when I click on this, when you are getting these details dynamically populated just by just giving a data set over there. You can imagine by giving a form, just giving a form, and these things will pop out over here. So so the future work is building out a whole resume. That was just timeline graph. We could like use so many things like donut graphs and everything to represent the skills in resume. So that's our future work. We had like a lot of technical difficulties, like extracting the data from one data set and populating in another CSS thing. So it was hard for us a little bit. And we have achieved this project like using 96.8% of JavaScript. So that's D3, pure D3. We are not using anything. So that's how we did it. Any questions?